Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to review BrandBay. So BrandBay allows you to organize and share digital assets for multiple clients and projects. You know, hunting down digital files can be feel like you are in adventure movie, so you can't find files, okay, even with separate folders and drives. Managing assets for multiple clients or brands can get super confusing really quickly. So what if you could organize all of your brand assets in one place so that they are ready to share in a moment? Okay, so it is a brand bay. So it is allows you to share files with clients and team members using a white label interface and custom access permission, and it categorize digital brand assets and easily access them using brand bay chrome extension. So BrandBay is a digital asset management system that lets you store, organize, host, and share digital asset with ease. Okay, so the good thing about this BrandBay is now they are launching Fimo deals. So as you can see, we're in Fimo Pace, and as you can see, BrandBay cost to $29 for license tier 1, and it has up to 4 license tiers. So if I scroll down, I can see all of the feature that they offer. Okay, so as you can see, license tier 1 cost you $29, and it has all feature of above included. All this feature, as you can see, a chrome extension, group collection, media hosting, and all of the things. And you can use for 5 brands. So you, if you have clients, and you can use like 5 clients for which are client collaboration seats, 100 GB storage, that is good, and custom branding. Okay, so if you have more clients, or you work with more brands, then you can go for license tier 2. It costs you $99, and it is 25 brands and 15 wizard client collaboration seed, 400 GB storage. Okay, and license tier it costs to $290, and it has 100 bands. So it is, I think, very good enough for anyone. Okay, so it is up to license tier 3 and license tier 4. So if you need more, you can go for license tier 4 and see all of the things. Okay, so I have a link in the description. So with this links, because you get 10% off if you use this link, and I highly recommend go to the description and uh, check out the link if you want to buy. Okay, so now let's see what you find out in the brand homepage. So as you can see, it is their homepage. They said the instant access multi-brand asset management system. Okay, and as you can see, they said brand go far beyond logo, store and organize multiple brand identities one clean place, so you have each of the brand core asset at your fingertips easily. And then they say less time managing, more time creating. So their smart categories simplify the process, so you can quickly access the assets you need to and safely store once you don't. Okay, and it has a system as a flexible as your brand is, and you can switch brands in seconds. So when managing multiple brands, you and your team need to be able to switch frame fast. BrandBay allows you to toggle between many different brands to maximize your efficiency and allow you to get job done without any time wasted. So that is for you guys in the homepage. So let's see the actual dashboard. So as you can see, we are in actual dashboard, and if I go here, okay, example brand, so it is a demo. So if I go here, you can see what you have in one brand. Okay, so you also create a new project from here. So as you can see, it has a lot of brandable things: logos, colors, fonts, links, notes, file, image, videos. So you can see that if I click here logos, you can see the all kind of logos: square logos, horizontal logos, vertical logos. Okay, as you can see, it is vertical logos, and you can see the color. Okay, you can see the color of your brand using, and you can make it. Okay, you can see the phone, you can see the links, node, file, ms and video. So now I want to create my first brand. Okay, go back, click here. So here, as you can see, create your first brand. Click here, click on the menu on the left sidebar and click the brand. Okay, click here, plus brand. So name your brand. Okay, let's say it is a Dell Custard. So primary brand color, so you can select anything you want. So I go for this color. Okay, select and click next. And you can also upload your logo. So I go for it. Please upload logo to continue. Okay, so you have to upload logo here. So next. Okay, next. So site link, you give their site link. Select font, so you can select your font. Okay, so here you can see a lot of fonts. So I select uh, sulfur point. Okay, select one that has using. So let's click finish. So our brand is created. So now you can add all of the things in your brand. Okay, so as you can see, you can add Dell Custer colors from here. Okay, click here, delete group. Okay, you can add Dell Custer square logos, Dell Custer colors. You can add color from here, and you can add anything you want. So if you want to go colors, if you want to go fonts, you can do that. So you can add your font from here. You can add link here. Okay, as you can see, click here and link name, link URL. So this is very helpful, and it saves a lot of time. So when we have multiple brands, what we do, we and go and waste time and uh, make changes all of the things. But if you have organized all of the things, just came here and copy anything you want, just copy and paste anywhere you want. So if you have multiple brands, this is very very useful tools. So you can do that all of the things, videos, emails, files, notes. Okay, so I think it is a very good deal if you want to manage all of the things. So it is just $29, and if it is 5 brands. So if you have uh, brands, 5 website, you can use $29 license tier one. And if you have multiple brands, you can use that. So I hope you get the idea of what it is and how can use it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and again, you can find a link in the description and first comments. So please check it out. Thank you so much.